No sales, loss of money on advertising, competition, frustration? Bin all of them out of your mind, because we are here to value your money and energy. And you know why? A well-structured marketing strategy is so important for your business. Yes, I'm talking about your business. Let's explore these.
Navicosoft was the only one that seemed to have the potential to provide us with what we were looking for. Well, now we know how they do that. They have added one more happy client to their portfolio.
I'm Jackie and I've been the client of Navicosoft for over 6 months. I like the way they are marketing my business. It's going really well and I'm happy with their digital marketing strategies. Thumbs up to Navicosoft.
Hi, my name is Keeleen. I'm the social media and marketing strategist at Biozenic. We've been working with Navicosoft for the past couple of months and they've really helped us with our SEO and online marketing, so we would not hesitate to recommend them to anyone who needs help with their online marketing.
Navicosoft is generating millions of dollars of sales for clients around the world. Our partner badges and reviews from multinational companies back up our claim.
It's done an amazing job in setting up my website, arranging my digital media marketing platforms. Over the course of a few months, we've generated a tremendous amount of likes and interests and impressions for the variety of different posts that have been placed on those platforms. In addition, they've done an amazing job in organically improving the traffic that is generated on the website.
Now, all you should have is hope, positivity, and passion, because your complete website analysis and marketing strategy is right here in just $100. $100? That's like a burger meal for my family.